Hello, assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Now we are back again with another pinpoint error finding. This is just the continuation of the next 5 questions. Previously we have done 20 questions. So let's start. Did you know how that the actors strike will delay the beginning of the new television season and cause the cancellation of many contracts? Okay, the thing is that I probably missed a gap. I mean, this will be this cause. Let's put it out of that. Okay, now look at that. Obviously this is just a future indefinite tense. That's why will delay is correct, and cause the it is talking about the consequences. So cause the cancellation of the many contracts is also correct. But look at that. Did you know how that? Is there any reason to write how? I don't think so. If you read the sentence, what it stands out. Did you know how that the actors strike will is? It really doesn't make sense. If you read it like that, did you know that the actors strike will delay the beginning of the new television season and cause the cancellation of many contracts? Now the thing is that it makes sense. If you read without how, it makes sense, but if you read with how, it doesn't make sense. Did you know how that the actors strike will delay the beginning of the new television season and cause the cancellation of many contracts? Because if you look at it, did you know how that the actors will, because this is not conclusive, you have to write something else, something more with it. So the best way to correct it is to omit the how. So A is the answer. Now let's move to the next question. We should have been informed Janice about the change in plans regarding our weekend trip to the mountains. Obviously we should have informed, not have been informed. You cannot say have been informed because this is not present perfect continuous tense. This is just present perfect tense. Something just immediately finished. Okay, so instead of writing have been informed, you should write have informed. Okay, got it? We should have informed Janice about the change in plans regarding our weekend trip to the mountains. The rest of the things are all correct, so we don't have to bother about those. So A is the answer. When you arrived at the store to purchase the dishwasher advertised in the newspaper, we learned that all the dishwashers had been sold. Now had been sold is also correct. Now look at that. At the store is correct because you are going at the store is correct because you are going at a store to purchase. What's the reason for going to the store? Because to purchase, so that's also correct. How about this? Dishwasher advertise. This is a verb, but we should talk about advertised. I mean, kind of a passive thing should have been written here, so it should be advertised, not advertise the verb. I mean, it should be passive form of the verb or the past participle. So C is our desired answer. Now let's go to the next question. That manufacturer is not only raising his prices but also decreasing the production of his product as well. Look, you're writing not only but also here. I don't have problem with it. We can write whatever it here. Raising and decreasing, all of them are, both of them are consistent, so there is no problem also out here. The production of his product as well, you don't have to write as well because you have already written not only but also, so it is redundancy. So D is the answer, and you cannot omit not only and but also. You obviously you can omit but since underline is given under but can you remove not only? So you cannot remove not only, so remove as well. So D is our desired answer. Now the thing is that let's go to 25. The director encouraged them work in committees to plan a more effective advertising campaign for the new product. Okay, now the thing is that the director encouraged them to work. Simply, you just if you just talk, you don't have to know grammar rule because to solve this. I mean, you just need to have some colloquial common sense. The director encourages them to work. For what? To work. That's all. So A is the answer, guys. Let's move to the next section. To work in communities, to plan. Okay, after work we do write infinitive, to plan. A more effective, it really just other words, so we don't have problem with it. Advertising can be for the new product. So this goes for right now. Thanks.